Well, Heidi there, pluckers, Arvisor Fingers back with you again with hopefully what will be another interesting lesson for you. This one's not too tricky. It's my take on a song from John Prine called Angel from Montgomery, which has also been covered by Bonnie Raitt. Okay, this is my take on it. It's more like the Bonnie Raitt version than the John Prine version, but it's I've done my own thing on it to a little degree, you know, a little bit of artistic license. Okay, because obviously you're playing on your own, you haven't got a band backing you, so I made it a little bit more interesting, I think. So hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a few days ago. If not, please go and check it out so you can see exactly what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, not too difficult, this one. Basically it's intro, verse chorus, verse chorus, verse chorus, verse chorus. So once I teach you the intro, a verse and a chorus, you've got everything you need to play the song. Okay, so let's get to it. So the first thing I've got to tell you is about the tuning. It's in drop D tuning. So when you get your standard tune guitar, you loosen off your bottom E string, just the 6th string, so that it sounds like your 4th string, the D string. Okay, that's all you need to do. Just loosen off your D string slightly until it matches your 4th string, the D string. Then you're in drop D tuning. After you've done that, put your capo on fret 2. And we're doing it in the same key as John Prine and Bonnie Raitt, which is the key of E. Okay. So, starting off with the intro. And what I did for the intro is this. Okay, that's my intro. It's not dissimilar to Bonnie Raitt, but slightly different. Okay, so what am I doing? So I'm starting off with a standard D chord, but I'm lifting up the 2nd finger. So you've got a D sus2. Okay, top E string open, and I'm starting off by hitting the 4th string. All right, and it's like so. I'm going 4th string, 3rd string, and then doing a strum and hammering in to that 2nd fret on the top E string. So it's alright. Got that? Right, so it's like okay, and then what you do is you go to this chord. It's basically a G chord with D in the bass, so it's G/D. Okay, and all I'm doing is I'm playing the relative to the capo, that is. Okay, so 2nd fret of the A string, 1st finger, and then I'm playing the 3rd fret from the capo on the 2nd and 1st strings with my 3rd finger and pinky. All 6 strings. Okay, so this is like G with D in the bass. So, and it's like 2 downstrokes on that chord. Okay. So, and then we do this little riff. It's very simple. Open A string, hammer into the 2nd fret, and then the D string open. Okay? Very simple. Okay, so and just repeat all that 3 times, okay? And then on the 4th time it's bap, 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 bap. So all that is a D chord, and then I'm doing a lazy A. I'm barring the 2nd fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 1st finger, and I'm trying to hit 5 downwards. Okay, so it's so we play D, then the lazy A, then like an E minor 7th. It's 2nd on the 5th again, 1st finger, but I'm only playing the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. I'm not bothering with the pinky on this bit, okay? So it's like an E minor 7th really. Okay, with D in the bass again. and then back to the D. So it's D, A, E minor 7th with D in the bass, and then D. Da, 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 da. And that's your intro. Okay, so once again slowly, the whole intro. Of a pause, and then the singing comes in, verse 1 starts, and that starts off with the D. Again, if you want to do that hammering, you can, it's optional, that bit we were doing for the intro, and then we do that G with D in the bass with the doubling up on the top 2 strings there. Okay, so it's and you do the riff again. Okay, so it's named after my mother, my old man's another child that's grown old. So it's pretty like the intro. Okay, so you got that? I am an old man, named after my mother, my old man's another child that's grown old. Okay, and then basically second part of the song, the verse, sorry, second part of verse 1 is exactly the same. Dreams were lightning and thunder was desire. This old house would have burnt down a long time ago. Got the whole thing? Okay, so let's do the whole intro and the first verse slowly. And then we do, oh sorry, I forgot to mention, when you finish the intro, when you come out of that, you do another one of those little riffs, the open 8th, second, open 4th. Okay, so once again, the intro, going into verse 1. Named after my mother, my old man's another child that's grown old. If dreams were lightning and thunder was desire, this whole house would have burnt down a long time ago. And then we go into the chorus after you do another riff. Okay, a long time ago. Okay, into the chorus. Make me an angel, flies from Montgomery. Right, so what that is, it's like D. Make me a C, 5 downwards. Try not to hit the bottom E string. Okay. Make me an angel, 5 downwards. Then that's G with D in the bass again, doubling up on the top 2 strings, 3rd fret. Flies from Mac D. Montgomery riff. Okay, D. Make me a C poster of the G with D in the bass. D. Keep riffing it after each phrase, sort of thing. Okay, so it's make me an angel that flies from a gun. Make me a poster of an old radio. Repeat. Just give me one thing I can hold on to believe in this living as a hard way to go. It's exactly the same all the way through until you get to that last line where it's to believe in this, the G chord with the D in the bass is just the hard way to fall, is that hard way to go rather. D, same 4 chord little lick as before. D, A, E minor 7th with D in the bass, D, and then we do another, and you're into verse 2. Okay, and that's all there is to the song. Okay, it's really simple. So let's go all the way through that. So intro, verse 1, chorus, and then going into verse 2. Okay, so here we go, slowly. I'm an old woman named after my mother. My old man's another child that's grown old. His dreams are lightning and thunder was delight. This old house was burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel from Montgomery, make me a poster of an old radio. Just give me one thing that I can't hold on to believe there's living was a hard way to go. When I was younger, well, and so on. Got the idea, boys and girls? Well, there we have it. Nice easy lesson for you. Thanks very much for watching and listening, and if you like that, please press the like button. I appreciate that. And also, if you want to know when I put videos up and be notified, please subscribe. Thanks very much indeed. See you soon.